In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a campaign in Mailchimp. We'll walk through the entire process of sending a simple plain text email campaign step by step so you can follow along on your own screen. By the end, you'll know exactly where everything is and what each option does. First, log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're in, look at the left-hand panel and click on Campaigns. This is where all of your past and future email campaigns live. In the top right corner of this page, click on the Create button. The page will reload and you'll see a list of different campaign types on the left: email, automations, and landing page. For this tutorial, we're going to focus on email. Click on email and it will expand to show three options: regular, plain text, and template. We're choosing a plain text email here, which is great for simple, personal-looking messages without heavy design. On the right-hand side, give your email an internal name. This is just for you and your team to recognize the campaign later, so your audience won't see it. Once you've named it, click Begin. The page will reload and you'll be asked to choose who should receive this email. You can send it to your entire audience, to a specific segment or tag, to a group, or you can create a new segment right here. Make your selection based on who this message is for, then click Next. On the next screen, you'll set up the basic details of your email. Add your email subject line, up to 150 characters, and then add your preview text, also up to 150 characters. This preview text is what many people will see right next to the subject line in their inbox, so it's worth making it clear and compelling. You can also edit the from name and from email address, so your subscribers recognize who the email is coming from. Below that, you can choose to use the inbox to manage replies and to personalize the to field, which can make the email feel more personal. If you scroll down, you'll see additional options for tracking, social media, and automatically converting videos. Review these settings and configure anything you need, then click Next. Now the page will reload and you'll see the screen split into two sections. On the left is your plain text email editor, which starts with some placeholder text and examples of merge tags. On the right is a merge tag cheat sheet. If you click this, you'll see all the available merge tags you can use to personalize your message, such as adding your subscriber's first name. Type or paste your plain text message into the left side and use merge tags as needed to customize it. When you're happy with your content, click Next. Mailchimp will now show you a review screen. Here you can quickly check the key details of your campaign: the audience you're sending to, your subject line, preview text, reply settings, tracking options, and the plain text content itself. Take a moment to confirm that everything looks correct. When you're ready, click Send or Schedule. If you choose Send, a confirmation pop-up will appear. Click Send now to finalize it, and that's it. You've just created and sent a plain text email campaign in Mailchimp.